In the past few years, the Padma Awards have also been called as People's Padma Awards, and there's a reason for it. It's a moment of national pride where several distinguished individuals, many of them known, many, so to say, unknown when it comes to the public domain. But at India's highest civilian awards at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, take a look at these remarkable awardees from across the fields in India as President Draupadi Murmu ensured that they were acknowledged for their work. And how? Let's go one by one. That's Tamil superstar, of course, a well-known name, Ajit, honoured with the Padma Bhushan by President Draupadi Murmu at Rashtrapati Bhavan, a tribute to his decades-long contribution to the world of art and film. In India, if we love cinema, we love cricket. Spinner Ravichandran Ashwin conferred with the Padma Shri by President Murmu at the Rashtrapati Bhavan for the stellar achievement in the sport, including key roles in India's 2011 World Cup, 2013 Champions Trophy victory. Look at this, how incredible. She is 96-year-old. Bhimava Dodabalappa Shileketra from Karnataka, honoured with the Padma Shri, a heartfelt tribute where the President walked up to her to honour her. This is with regard to an ancient art of shadow puppetry. Listen to the applause for this incredible, talented woman. The man behind the deciding of the auspicious Muhurat for the Ram Janmabhoomi and the Kashi Vishwanath rituals. One of the top Vedic scholars, Gyaneshwar Shastri David, is awarded the Padma Shri by President Murmu for extraordinary contribution to Indian civilization's Vedic traditions. Achievements come after a struggle, a childhood that was marked by sacrifice and a career dedicated to healing. You're looking at Dr. Vijay Lakshmi Deshpande from Kalaburgi, Karnataka, honoured by the President, celebrating her treatment in cancer treatment and awareness. She's an oncologist. Cinema again. Bandit Queen to Elizabeth. Director Shekhar Kapoor's cinematic brilliance has crossed borders. The visionary director received the Padma Bhushan from President Murmu, honouring his timeless contribution to storytelling and the field of arts and making India proud worldwide. And not just Indian citizens, look at that. In honour of the late Osamu Suzuki, former CEO of Suzuki Motors, a visionary in the automobile world and collaborating with India for transformation that we have seen in the past few decades, his son Toshihiro Suzuki received the award on the father's behalf. What a proud moment for the son as much. From 20 leprosy patients to over 1,000 lives changed and transformed. Suresh Harilal Soni is honoured with the Padma Shri by President Murmu for unwavering commitment to dignity, care, through the Sahyog Kushta Yogna Trust, truly working for the underprivileged. And not just cricket, it's football as much. Goalkeeping legend P.R. Sridhesh, who's given Indians many moments of victory and thrilling ones at that, honoured with the Padma Bhushan by President Murmu. A proud moment. I correct myself and apologise. Indian hockey celebrating stellar contribution to the sport and nation's success on the global stage.
Shri
And it's a moment to remind ourselves of the incredible talent, opportunities and so many visionaries who are doing the best, not just for India, but for India worldwide.